Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to play If You're Happy and You Know It. So there it is. So we're going to start with the right hand, and then I'll add the left hand, and then I'll play this left hand, and then we can put them together. So the right hand starts with a thumb on G, and this is G if you're not sure where it is. We look at the 3 black keys and the 2 black keys. It's sort of just on the right hand side of the end key of the 3 black keys. 1, 2, 3. There. So here we go. G, G, C, 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 B, C, D. G, G, D, 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 C, D, E, E, F, 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 A, F, F, E, 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 D, C, C, E, E, D, 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 C, B, G, A, B, C. A lot of notes there, so I'll just play them in a few sections. So section number 1 is this. So if you want to try with me, starting on G. G, G, C, 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 B, C, D. Let's add the left hand here. For this, we're going to need finger 5 on C. Sorry, finger 3 on C. Then we're going to go to E, and we're going to go all the way down to G and D. So again, C, E, G, D, C, E, G, D. So now we'll put those 2 sections together, and you can see where these left hand notes go in relation to the right hand notes. Now. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. G, G, C, 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 B, C, D. So it's calling out the right hand notes there. That's section 1. Section 2 goes like this. In the right hand, G, G, D, 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 C, D. There were a lot of D's there. There were 6 D's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll play that again. G, G, D, 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 C, D, E. One more time. G, G, D, 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 C, D, E. And the left hand, we have the same notes we had earlier. G, D, and then C, E. Here's the backwards version of what we had the first section. In the first section we had C, E, G, D. Now we have the backwards version. G, D, C, E. Then we play section 2, hands together, and you can see where they go. G, D, 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 C, D, E. I'll play it again. I'll play those first two sections one after another now. You can see I'm using different fingers at different times, because which you can do as well. If you want to play, you could play the easier way, just use one finger. I prefer to do it with keeping my thumbs in the lowest notes this way. So my thumb in the right hand on the lowest note this way, my thumb in my left hand on the highest notes this way, and my little fingers on the outer notes on the outside here. I'll play those two sections again. That brings us to the last section, which is a bit longer, but I have this. I can't talk. I have this as one section because it all is connected. So in the right hand, it's like this: finger 4 on E, quite a lot there. I'll play that again. I'll call out the letters this time, just in the right hand. E, E, F, 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 A, F, F, E, 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 D, C, C, E, E, D, 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 C, B, G, A, B, C. So now I'll do it slower because that's fairly quick. Starting with E. So this is if you're happy and you know it. Your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So here we are on E. For these Fs, down to A, F. So in the left hand, we have a new note we haven't used earlier in the first section, which is F. And another F. So we're going to have two Fs. And then we're going to have the same notes as we used in the beginning. C, E, G, D, and then C. I'll play that again in the left hand. F, F, C, E, G, D, C. So this is the third section. I'll play the hands together now. So I'm using my second finger here on the F. So now I'll play all three sections, one after another, and that will be the whole piece. Starting on G and C. Played a couple of... I think it sounds like laughing. Maybe the piano's laughing at me, making a little mistake there. I'll play it one more time. So there it is. It's a very nice song. Well, that made me feel happy. I hope that helped, and good luck with your practicing. Please do give me a like despite the mistakes. We all make mistakes. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll post some new videos soon. Bye for now.